Hey guys, how are you? Today, this lesson is going to be provided to you from StudySprint. Today, we are gonna see about force and its type. This lesson is from physics lesson, and now I'm gonna teach you force and its type. Let's first define force. Force, force is push or pull applied on an object that can change velocity, shape, or size of the object. That is the definition of force. Let's see one by one. The electromagnetic force. The force that an electromagnetic field exerts on electrically charged particle. Let that sink in. The force that an electromagnetic field exerts on electrically charged particles is known as electromagnetic force. Gravitational force, the second one. Gravitational force. Gravitational force is the force that attracts any object with mass. With mass, every object, including you, is pulling on other object in the entire universe. This is the definition of gravitational force. Come to the third type of force. The third type of force is defined as the the third type of force is nuclear force, and the nuclear force is defined as is the force exerted between different nucleons. That means nucleons means nucleons are neutron plus proton exerted between them. The force the force is attractive in nature, and it binds protons and neutrons in the nucleus together. Protons and neutrons are collectively known as nucleons, and that force binds together in the nucleus. The fourth one is the force that is known to be the contact force. The contact force is the force that occurs between two bodies due to their contact is known as contact force. When two bodies are in contact, they can create a contact force. They can create the contact force when two bodies are in contact. The fifth one is electrostatic force. Electrostatic force is defined as the attraction or repulsion of different particles and materials based on their electrical charges. Let that sink in. It is defined as the attraction or repulsion of different particles and materials based on their electrical charges. This is the definition of electrostatic force. Electro means study about electricity. Static means not motion. That means the study of electricity at stationary is defined as electrostatic. The study of the study of charges stationary is known to be electrostatic. Electrostatics, yeah. So electrostatic force is the force that is defined as the attraction or repulsion of different particles and materials based on their electrical charges. Magnetic force, it is the attraction or repulsion that arises between electrically charged particles because of their motion. Let me tell you about our gigant magnet, that is the Earth's magnet. that magnet has this magnetism behavior, magnetic behavior because of molten material or molten iron material inside the core of the earth or core of the earth, right? we have we have contact force, which are divided into three. We have contact force divided into three, which is normal force, tension force, and friction. Let's define normal force first. Normal force is the support force exerted upon an object that is in contact with another stable object. Normal force can change from one type to another if the surface is smooth, or if the surface is normal, it can create the 90 degree. If the surface is not smooth, or if the surface is not at 180 degree, it can change from its perpendicularity to some angle. And the tension force is a force that is exerted equally on both ends of a cable, chain, rope, wire, or other continuous object that is transmitted between the ends by that object. Tension is a force that is exerted equally on both ends of a cable, chain, rope, wire, or other continuous object and is transmitted between the ends by that object. The last one is friction force. Is a force. The force exerted by a surface as an object moves across it, or makes an effort to move across it. This all is about force and its type. We've defined force. We've defined what do we mean by force, and we have also discussed about these all forces. Electromagnetic forces can be divided into two: electrostatic and magnetic force. We can divide contact force into three: normal force, tension force, friction force, and blah blah. These all are the definition of force and its type. Thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, share my videos. I hope this video can help you at some point. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you again.